This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Microsoft Edge web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up. To enable or disable dark mode, first thing you want to do is go off to the lower right hand corner, down to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Appearance. Tap on Appearance. And then right in here, App Theme. By default, it's probably set to your system's default, but you can tap on Light to go to Light Theme, or you could tap on Dark to go to Dark Theme. Then all you need to do is go up to the upper right hand corner and tap on Done. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on the Microsoft Edge web browser using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.